Hey, and welcome to the YepText Classroom. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send out a text message to people inside of your group, or in other words, people that have opted into your Yep word. So pretty much this is the home page, and all you have to do to send out a text message to people inside of your Yep word who have opted in is click the Messages tab. And once you click the Messages tab, it'll open up a page like this. Now what you can do here is write in a message, so pretty much you have 148 characters to write. Now you'll notice that it's not 160 characters. The reason why that is because we take a certain amount of space to comply with what the FTC wants and put in text stop to unsubscribe. By doing this, this will allow you to feel comfortable that every text message you send will comply with the rules out there, and you will not have to be worried about that. And we take a lot of precaution in that and make sure that everyone is safe when doing their text message marketing. So you can be sure that you will have that added in here. So that is why we have 148 characters inside of your text message here. Now the other cool thing about sending a group text message is that we offer you the schedule time option, which means if you are not going to be around when you need to send out a text message, you can actually schedule it with our cool calendar system here. Pick a day, pick a time, and go from there. And the other cool thing about that is that this will allow you to go off and do your thing whenever you want to do it, and you will not have to be by your computer to obviously send out a text message. So that is something that you definitely should take action and use. The other cool thing about it, which you need to know about, is that we have set it to Eastern Standard Time to make it easy for anyone using YepText to understand, instead of having different time zones everywhere, and then it'll be confusing. So just so you know, we have it scheduled for Eastern Standard Time. So when you send a text message and schedule it, make sure that the time here is set for your location. If you're not in Eastern Standard Time zone, make sure you subtract 3 hours or whatever it is wherever you're located. So that pretty much is what the send group text message option allows you to do. Very, very simple. Once you write your message here, the other thing you can do is click on the select recipients. So this is pretty much select which Yep word or which group, or which pretty much where people have opted into you want to send this text message to. So for example, I'm going to send it to my Adam Yep word, and that'll allow me to send a text blast with anything that I put in here just to this group. If I want to send it to 2 groups or 3 groups, I can do that. So it's very, very simple, and then all you do is click submit or schedule. So hopefully that helps answer any questions about sending a group text message. Pretty simple, and hopefully you guys can figure it out easily. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.